A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. Here are 5 amazing facts about black holes that you might not know. Fact number 1: black holes can warp space and time. The strong gravitational pull of a black hole can warp space and time, causing light to bend in time to slow down. This phenomenon, known as gravitational lensing, can be used to study the properties of black holes and the objects around them. Fact number 2: black holes can evaporate. According to the theory of Hawking radiation, black holes can slowly lose mass over time and eventually evaporate completely. This process is extremely slow for large black holes but could happen relatively quickly for smaller ones. Fact number 3: black holes are not actually black. Despite their name, black holes are not actually black. They can emit radiation in the form of X-rays and gamma rays, which are produced by the hot gas and dust that swirl around the black hole before falling in. Fact number 4: black holes can merge. When 2 black holes get close to each other, they can start to orbit each other, eventually merging to form a single more massive black hole. This process can release enormous amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves, which were first detected by the LIGO Observatory in 2015. Fact number 5: black holes can spin just like planets and stars. Black holes can spin on their axis. The spin of a black hole can affect the way it interacts with matter and can even create powerful jets of radiation that shoot out from the black hole. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned from these amazing facts about these gigantic and fascinating objects in the universe. Subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos.